Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome back to the second phase of the discussion on the letter A in Kana. Kana is one of the languages spoken in Ogoni. Ogoni is a nationality in River State. In Ogoni, we have 5 languages. They are Kana, Kokana, Te, Eneme, and Bangui. So we want to look at the functions of the letter A, which is a continuation of what we discussed in our previous video. Today we are looking at the letter A as functioning as a reciprocal suffix. Reciprocity has to do with giving and taking. So now you will be able to make such sentences as Sira Nelekia Mwena, which means Sira and Lekia saw each other. When you add the reciprocal suffix to Mwe, you have it to be Mwena. In fact, the letter N before the letter A, which is the final one, is there because of the influence of the nasal features on Mwe. So that's why the introduction of that letter N comes preceding the letter A, which we are focusing on. And so you are able to make such sentences as Sira the Lekia Mwena, meaning Sira and Lekia saw each other. You can also look at such word as Be, which means fight, and you're able to mark the reciprocal concept concerning that word when you add the letter A to it. And you say Ibea, meaning we fought each other. Be means resemble. Ibera means we resemble each other. Kwe is call. Ikwira means we call each other. Now, you can be sure that reciprocal concept is also marked when the prefix, the prefix enia occurs before the pronoun enia, occurs before the object pronoun, in which case you can see I, mue, enia, I. You can see some other sentences there. Imwe enya e, which means we saw each other. You can also put imwezin to mark reciprocal concepts. Buikwe ge enya bui means did you call one another? Buikwe ge zin means did you call one another? But our concern in this discussion is the letter A, functioning as to denote reciprocal concept. So here we go again to the next function of the letter A in Kana. Then it also functions, ladies and gentlemen, as instrumental marker. That means the instrument with which you achieve something. When you want to introduce the instrument with which you achieve something, you put the letter A after the verb. So you can make such sentences as ye ka bonga ye ti, ye ka bonga ye ti. In this case, you have it to be his mother beat him with a stick. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can have the letter A functioning as a prefix. And when it functions as a prefix, it means that the word to which it is attached is attributive. It's an attributive adjective. It indicates that the word to which it is attached is an attributive adjective. And you say you have such word as yim, which means saw. Inyima, meaning saw soup. So inyima maru means source. The moment it is attached to it, the item becomes attributive adjective. You have Bagbara, small, Agbagbara, small, attributive. Bagbara is meaning small, predicative. Agbagbara means small, attributive. Then here we go again to some other examples. Kam means spicy, predicative. Then akama means spicy, attributive. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we are on the function of the letter A, and then I think that you will take a look at other functions of the letter A presented below. So thank you so much. I'm grateful that you watched this video up to now, and then I plead with you to go and subscribe. Then watch the videos, subscribe, and drop your comments, and like it, share, and I'm grateful that you are there watching this video. Now the channel is named Akatasm Ground Language Theater. It is a YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm grateful. Bye.